Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Photo Reviews video. Today we have one interesting backpack to show you. It's from Manfrotto series. Stay with us in the next several minutes and you will see all about it. The model we are having here today is Manfrotto Pro Light Redbee-210 from Manfrotto Pro Light Redbee series. This series comes in 3 different sizes for every use regarding how much equipment do you need to pack in it. Considering materials of this backpack, these are high quality materials as always with Manfrotto that origin from kata industry. So this is water repellent material that is excellent and can withstand very harsh conditions, although if conditions are going to be really wet, you have additional weather cover for the whole backpack. This Manfrotto backpack is somewhat similar to the other one that we reviewed a few weeks ago. Why? Because it has also 3 ways of accessing your equipment from both sides of the backpack and from the top. This compartment that you can access from the top is the most important one. You will see why. Because it can accommodate very large DSLR camera with maybe even 400mm lens attached on it. So it's very useful for bird photography and nature photography, animal photography and everything like that. A few more words about the exterior of this backpack. On the front side you have a tripod mount system where you can attach some small size or medium sized tripods. On the top part you have this heavy duty handle for carrying the whole backpack. You have another handle on one side and another handle on the other side of the backpack, and also on the back side you have a handle that helps you open this compartment. Here is the main compartment, which you will see a bit later, and also this handle is here for mounting the backpack on the trolley when traveling by airplane. The harness system of the backpack is quite comfortable. These 2 straps that go on your shoulders are pretty much thick and comfortable to wear. You have additional straps that go around your chest and around your waist. The only downside is that you don't get padded straps that go around your waist like you do for your shoulders. So let's see how the backpack looks like when you carry it on your back. It's pretty much comfortable and easy to wear. You have a chest strap here. You have a waist strap here. You can tighten everything up the way it suits you best. In some easy steps. My height is about 6'3" or 190 centimeters, and this is how this backpack looks on my back while I'm carrying it. So after the exterior, let's see what the interior of this backpack looks like. Here we have some major surprises. Here is the main compartment that you open with the aid of this handle. And this is the biggest surprise and the biggest plus of this backpack. You have a net here that you can zip up or zip off to protect additionally your equipment not to fall not to get messy when you put it inside. So it's very welcomed addition. On this upper part you have another interesting solution. That's these two pockets for two devices, one for laptop that can carry a laptop of the diagonal of the screen of up to 15 inches, and this one can carry additional tablet or notepad or something like that up to 10 inches. Here you have access to small compartments for memory cards, and here you have a meshed pocket for other small stuff like filters or something else, or some triggers, anything you care. And these are straps for mounting tripod on the front of the bag. In the meantime, we have loaded the backpack with lots of equipment. You will see how much equipment it can carry. Here we have a middle-sized Pro DSLR Canon 5DS with the grip attached and 70 to 200 millimeters lens attached. So it's a standard organization of the interior. We have additional lenses. We mix the brands here so we can fill it up as much as possible. We have 24 to 70, we have 16 to 35, we have some fixed focal length like 35 millimeters, and macro lenses like 105 millimeters, etc. As you can see, it's not completely loaded, and we have lots of equipment here. We can load even more equipment, even more gear, but what we are missing here are these Velcro dividers. There isn't just enough of them to separate our lenses here. So we organized this interior as we could to put this amount of equipment inside. So here we come to some good stuff and bad stuff about this Manfrotto Pro Light Redbee-210 backpack. Most of them are really good. You have handles everywhere. That's a big plus. You have excellent lower part of the backpack that is extra padded for extra protection and for putting your backpack safely on the ground when it is wet or something. This harness system is quite well and comfortable to wear. The biggest and the most important good sides of this backpack are inside. You have this net that protects additionally your equipment. Then you have these two pockets here for laptop and for tablet also. So practically everything about this backpack is quite well thought of and quite well done to suit its purpose. So what are the bad things about it? We had some hard time finding some bad things, but here are some of them. First of all, there's no padding on these waist straps, which should be nice if there was. Second thing is that this airflow system that should protect you from extra sweating in a hot climate is not maybe deep enough as on some other models of this Manfrotto brand. And as a third and maybe the biggest issue with this backpack is about its interior, because you have such a great space here for loading and organizing your gear, but you don't have enough of these Velcro dividers to arrange the gear the way you want it. So as a final conclusion about this Manfrotto backpack, we saw a lot of great things about it. It's really one well thought and well done backpack for everyday use, and it can suit a lot of potential users. The quality is, as expected, excellent, as it was with Kata company before Manfrotto and now with Manfrotto. And as a proof that the quality is excellent, Manfrotto brand is the one most copied by some Chinese independent companies and independent manufacturers. So it's another proof that it's a great product. But if you want to buy genuine Manfrotto product, you have one way to be sure of it. First of all, you have to go through dealers that offer officially Manfrotto products, and you can check the genuinity of Manfrotto product by this QR code that is attached to every Manfrotto product you can buy. So that's all for our latest video on Smart Photo Reviews channel. We hope you liked this review. If so, please consider commenting down below, hitting the subscribe button or hitting the like button. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.